What's up, everyone? I'm MJ Manabusin, and welcome to the Easier Science. So, here I'm just going to discuss my channel a bit and what it's about, what you should expect, and all of those knickknacks. So, first off, there's not my only channel. I have two channels: the Easier Science, which is the one you're currently viewing right now, and you can also view my history channel, also known as the Easier History. Link is down below or at the end of the video here. And both these channels are branches of my main website, which is the Easier School. And primarily my target with both of these websites is to try and help students learn courses that they may be unfamiliar about. And it's not so that way people can just take basic information and write notes about them. That's not the point I'm trying to get here. The point is I want students to learn, and I want them to connect the dots and apply them to real world examples. So let's just start talking about what the Easier Science is actually about. So in here, we're probably going to be discussing why things happen. How do they work? And how we can apply them, of course, what I mentioned earlier, to real life applications. Now that we've kind of discussed about what they're about, I'm going to just show you some of the courses you might be able to see on my channel within the coming years as this develops. So my courses right now, I am working primarily for AP Chemistry, and that kind of branches off to normal chemistry. And the reason why I'm starting with this one first is so that way I can just get this out the way. Because, again, I'm a junior in high school, so I haven't taken many courses really. And chemistry is going to be pretty flat, straightforward, and it's going to just be a lot better to explain because I know the material pretty well. And I'm also planning to take AP Chemistry my junior year. So I will be making more videos as the year progresses. And next year, you'll start to see some more science courses be developed. So you'll start to see my AP Bio course / normal biology. And you're going to maybe see my AP Physics. Now, why do I say maybe? Because I'm really only going to be able to teach one AP Physics course. That's AP Physics 1. However, if I get comfortable in the field of physics, I start to develop more courses like AP Physics 2, and possibly you might see C&M. But given a chance, you're most likely going to just see AP Physics 1. And some other cool courses I'm going to include on this channel is AP Computer Science, and unfortunately, I'm not going to be able to teach AP Computer Science Principles, but I will be able to teach AP Computer Science A as the year progresses. So you're going to see AP Computer Science this year, and you're going to see AP Chemistry this year. And along with AP Computer Science, you'll also see some Python and just basic Java. Another cool thing with this channel is that I can also branch off into other sciences, or what people call sciences. So I will be also teaching some math courses here. So for math, at least, it'll just be Algebra 1, Algebra 2, Geometry, pre-calculus, and then further out into the future, I will be teaching AP Calculus, AB/BC, and you'll see in that year also, I'll be putting out Calc 1, Calc 2, and Calc 3. And the reason why I'm going to be able to teach most of these courses on this channel is because I've currently completed this and I'm working on completing pre-calc concurrently. So these will be set out throughout the year, and it'll just make it very easy for me to get some content on this channel. I am taking these calculus courses senior year, so this will be a little bit of a long stride, but eventually I'll get to here. And basically, so with these courses in mind, we got to be able to understand what our video structures are going to look like on this channel. And the video structures are going to be very common to, or very similar to my other channel, The Easier History. So of course, we're going to start off with the intro. We'll give some context, and then we'll discuss the main materials. However, a little bit of things change here. On my main history channel, we'll be going on my website and we'll be doing some review. Here, we will actually have examples, and then you use those examples to solve yourself. And that's going to connect back to here where we put this into real life applications. And overall, we're going to close it out. So yes, this is the Easier Science channel. I'm willing to take this journey to make science just a tad bit easier for you guys. That is going to be all I'm going to be discussing today. Thank you for watching. MJ Manabusen, The Easier Science, signing out.